Awesome, eh? Oh, bro, nice touch. Nice touch.
That's how we roll.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome, bro.
Which one are you going to? I don't know. You choose that. I was going to do the chop flight this morning. Yeah. So none of us were aware either, so they were like, jeez. Can I come? How good you got? Bloody good.
Look how young the pilot is.
Hey, Mark, check his ID. He failed as a jockey.
Slide on fuel consumption. Mean. I've never seen anything like this for a wedding.
No.
Pretty epic. What do you think about that?
Amazing.
Pretty awesome?
Incredible. We weren't expecting this at all. Big
Cool.
surprise.
Mate, it's beautiful. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, my little baby. But check that out.
Wow. Wow.
Do you think the pilot's tall enough though?
I think it's the right height for getting under those blades. What do you think?
Yeah. I've got picnic baskets for you. She's recording all this.
Oh, yay. That's cool.
I don't see anyone else recording it, so I thought I might as well.
Oh, I didn't